Hello guys, this is me again, John, and today we'll see unboxing of my new MSI Aero Itx Radeon RX 560 DirectX 12 Volcon Chill Freezing Dio Relive Capture. I will try this Relive. Of course, I have mirrorless action, but I will try it. It's AMD game recording, okay, or overclocked version, 4 GB DirectX 12. This is some specs behind. This will be unboxing. Of course, in other days you will see benchmarks with this card, and of course this. I have this together. I will use it for a crossfire and maybe for mining. This is 2 GB of card I have inside in the box. Of course, let's continue on my MSI. Let's system requirements. There's no zooming good. I don't know why. Power supply 400 or greater. Memory RAM 4 GB. Recommended 8. Of course, motherboard with PCI Express. Windows 7 or 10. The best operating systems by the Steam. 7, of course, 64 bits. No 32 another. Linux supporting. And of course, what I have to say, 64 bit. Let's go to unboxing. Of course, here is some other specification. 128 bit, of course, some connection, HDMI, compatible with Windows 10. This is okay, 10 years for capacitors. Let's open the card and see what have inside. I don't know what's this, register, chosen product, and what the fuck. Okay, I don't care. A little card. Of course, I don't have MSI with me to see you. It's in the box. It's in another video. You will see it. Little box, lighter than MSI. Of course, I like how it's open. Better open. Okay, user guide. Drivers with MSI Afterburner. Of course, I will use it. Maybe, of course, I will use this card after Crossfire for first card. I'll maybe use it for Ethereum mining, because 2 GB are useless, and this Radeon it's 2 GB, and maybe I have make a wrong move and take the card this. Okay, let's see from inside. One cooler, small card, compact. Of course, two slots will take in the PC. This is DVI. I don't like this this connection. I never use it. I all time using VGA. Of course, here it's DisplayPort. Another one new type. I don't use it. And I have buy a new monitor. My channel, you will see it with HDMI. I am using now HDMI. Of course, there's must need some power connector. Why is not? I don't see no PCB behind, of course. And I'm surprising because I don't see one 6-pin connection. How that happened? I don't understand. The MSI Radeon Pulse have a 6-pin connection. This is Radeon RX 560 and don't have a connection pin, and it's 4 GB, not 2 as Sapphire Pulse. I'm so surprised now. There's no connection on this card. Maybe using too low power consumption. I don't see that, guys. I can't believe this chipset don't use 6-pin in this creation of MSI. Fuck. What the fuck? I'm surprising why I don't see this connection. Oh, there is no connection. Okay, if that use this is a chipset 560 and don't have using a power connection 6-pin. This card with BTC Pro 110, you can make perfect Ethereum mining machine. Guys, with this thing, I will use it for mining. This is, if that exists, there is no need power connection here. This is the best card budget for mining. That's I don't have word to say. Guys, thank you. Of course, you will see the next system. Okay, bye bye guys. Benchmarks, of course, you will see that. I will show you. I don't think it. You see some Tomb Raider to Resident Evil 5, 6 fast benchmarks without need more installation. Okay, see ya guys, bye.